All right, everyone, welcome to the channel. This weekend we got the girls out here. She's doing her little TikTok thing, and so we're out here at the ranch, and we're gonna ride around the four wheelers tomorrow and the ATVs tomorrow to see if we can stir something up. So, what video are you doing? What dance are you doing over there?
It's just a new one. I'm trying to learn it.
All right. Well, she's working on that, and so I got them out here this weekend, and Presley really wants to see a coyote. She really wants to see a deer. A hog she doesn't really want to see, but hope we see them. But anyway, so we'll ride around a little bit tonight, and we'll see if we see anything. If not, we're just gonna ride around tomorrow and enjoy the weekend with them. Stay tuned for this video to find out how this hog ends up right here. All right, everyone, we're just gonna ride around. Don't really have a plan in sight. We're just gonna drive around, and maybe we see something. Presley, what do you want to see?
The deer, the coyote.
What about a hog?
No.
All right, she doesn't want to see a hog, but hopefully we see one. Alexa, what do you want to see?
Hog.
Cover your ears. Presley.
Cover yours, Presley.
I gotta find the video.
Yes.
You got him on the video?
Yeah. I zoomed in. Of course I got them on the video. Cover yours. He seems so happy. They were so little. Huh? Yeah. Make sure your ears are really covered, okay? I'm excited.
Alright, so we circled back around and we didn't see them. I went walking in there for a little bit into the grass, but I saw a bunch of tracks, but I couldn't see them, so we decided we'll just keep on driving. Maybe we'll see them again later on. Alright, so we're over here at our waterfall, and
Can we go look at the waterfall?
yeah, we'll go look at the waterfall. So we're going to go check that out.
Presley?
So just to clarify with my friends, that was 2 shots, 2 pigs. So yeah, there you go. All right, so by the time they went across the field, I had to decide. By the time I got over there and got my sights on the hog, I had about 2 seconds to decide if I was going to pull the trigger or not, and I decided not to. I was like, man, if they're moving like this, let me go sit in the blind for a little bit and see what happens. And when I sat in the blind, this is what happened. Y'all stealing my corn? So a little backstory. I don't usually make that much noise in the stand. That was all just for testing purposes. I made a pretty good size stand, and I wanted to test how much noise I can make before they actually ran away. So I didn't have a cough, but I did cough just to see what they would do. I made some other noises, and ultimately they only ran away when I started to talk. But that was early, right when I got into the stand, and here's what happens a little bit later on in the day. All right, today is the example of expect the unexpected. What I expected to do this weekend was to hang out with my daughters, ride around on the four-wheelers, don't see nothing because we're going to make a lot of noise. That's not what happened. It's not what happened at all. We ran up on some hogs. We seen some hogs in the field. We seen 2 coyotes. Went and go sat in the stand, and this group came out. So today was a good day. Today was a really good day. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button because we're going to have more good days in the future. Like, share this video because, yeah, why not? If y'all got any ideas on different videos y'all want to see or a different way I can present these videos, I'm still new to this. So leave them in the comments, and I do read every comment. I just had a guy wanted me to do a video on how I skin this. How I skin it and how I prepare the meat. So that's the video I'm going to do right now, but I'm not going to add it to this video. It's going to be in a future video. So I appreciate everybody's feedback. I haven't had no criticism yet, so I guess let's keep that up.
Don't forget to smash that like button. Don't forget to subscribe.